Good afternoon, everyone. So I'm back again. Happy Mahavir Jayanti once again. Can we see people live, Bhavya?
No, you have to wait for some time.
Sure, I'll wait. So as you all know, for Jains, हमारे लिए ये एक बहुत स्पेशल फेस्टिवल है बिकॉज महावीर भगवान का आज जन्म हुआ था. उनका जन्म कल्याणक मनाते हैं हम लोग. और आज के दिन जनरली मंदिर जाते हैं, पूजा करते हैं. हमारे यहाँ पे आज जुलूस निकलता है जिसके अंदर भगवान महावीर की मूर्ति एक रथ पे रखी जाती है एंड देन हम लोग सब उसमें पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं. जो मैन होते हैं, जो आदमी होते हैं, वो लोग सफेद कुर्ता पजामा पहनते हैं और जो औरतें होती हैं, फीमेल्स होती हैं, वो ऑरेंज कलर का या केसरिया कलर का कपड़े पहनती हैं, जिसलिए मैंने आज केसरिया कलर पहना हुआ है. उसके बाद हम लोग मंदिर जाते हैं. मंदिर में पहुंच के मतलब पूरा जो जैन समाज है ऑलमोस्ट सभी इकट्ठा होता है और मंदिर में पहुंच के वहां पे भगवान महावीर के कलश होते हैं. कलश यानी अभिषेक होता है वहां पे. और उसके बाद समाज के लोगों के लिए पूजा होती है पहले महावीर भगवान की, और उसके बाद समाज के जो जैन समाज के लोगों के लिए खाने की व्यवस्था होती है. वहीं पे खाना खाया जाता है. हम लोग कोशिश करते हैं कि जितना दान कर सकते हैं आज के दिन, जितना समाज के लिए कुछ कर पाए वो कोशिश करते हैं. बट आज इस बार बिकॉज ऑफ द प्रेजेंट सिनेरियो हम लोग कुछ कर नहीं पाए, हम लोग मंदिर नहीं जा पाए, तो हमने घर में ही थोड़ी सी भाव पूजा करी है. उसके बाद अब क्योंकि आज तो समाज का खाना नहीं है, तो हम लोग के जब भी कुछ शुभ ओकेजन होता है तो हम लोग ये चरखे मीठे चावल बनाते हैं. तो आज मैंने अपनी फैमिली के लिए चरखे मीठे चावल बनाए हैं, बना रही हूँ और वो मैं आपको दिखाना चाहती हूँ. हाँ, पीपल लाइव.
So 12 people are live right now.
So should we start?
Okay, let's start.
Okay. So let me show you all the ingredients first. सबसे पहले मैं आपको ingredients दिखाती हूँ. Can you focus this here? So मैंने क्या किया है, सबसे पहले ये चावल है. चावल को क्या करते हैं, मैंने करीबन 2 गिलास चावल लिए हैं और उनको वॉश करके 10 से 15 मिनट सोक किया था. ओके. एंड देन उसके बाद उसको बॉईल करा है. मैंने हल्दी डाली है. लोग आप लोग चाहे तो कलर भी डाल सकते हैं, येलो या ऑरेंज कलर, बट आई हैव सीन माय मदर यूजिंग हल्दी. I did not want to use any color, so I have put haldi powder in it and I have boiled them. Okay, अब मैंने गट्टे बना के रखे हैं और उनको बॉईल करके कट करके रखे हुए हैं फॉर आ गट्टे के चावल. ओके, नमकीन चावल के लिए. अब ये मीठे चावल में हम लोग डालते हैं किशमिश, काजू, लौंग, काली मिर्च, मोटी इलायची. केसर को मैंने सोक करके रखा हुआ है. ये पिस्ता है, थोड़ा सा गार्निश के लिए काम आएगा. ये बादाम है और दिस इज माय फेवरेट ब्रांड पर्शियन सैफरन. पर्शियन ट्रेडर्स की है विच आई रेगुलरली यूज. इलायची पाउडर को मैंने पीस के रखा हुआ है एंड शुगर. फॉर नमकीन चावल, मीठे चावल में जो हम नमकीन चावल बना रहे हैं उसके लिए साबुत लाल मिर्च है, तेज पत्ता है, अगेन काजू है, किशमिश है, अदरक मैंने कस के रखी हुई है, हरी मिर्च को छोटी छोटी कट करके रखी है, हींग है, धनिया बारीक कट किया हुआ है, अमचूर पाउडर है, गरम मसाला है और ये हमने मटर बॉईल किए हुए हैं. एनी क्वेश्चंस और शुड आई स्टार्ट? ये मसालदानी है जो जनरली जीरा, लाल मिर्च, नमक, हल्दी, धनिया, सौंफ, अजवाइन. सो आई वांट टू टेल यू ऑल एवरीवन दैट मैं घर पे ही सारे मसाले पीसती हूँ और मुझे फ्रेशनेस लगती है उनको अगर मैं फ्रेश पीसती हूँ तो. एनी अदर क्वेश्चंस, एनीथिंग? शुड आई स्टार्ट?
Right now there are no questions.
Okay.
So, but 14 people are live.
Okay. I'll start then. Okay. So since आज स्पेशल डे है और हम फेस्टिवल
Feel free
सेलिब्रेट.
to ask questions.
ओके. सो आज क्योंकि स्पेशल डे है, हम फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं, तो क्यों ना हम स्टार्ट मीठे चावल से करें। ओके, सो जिनको हम केसरी भात भी बोलते हैं, केसरी या चावल भी बोलते हैं, तो मैं आपको मीठे चावल बना के बताती हूँ। हम बसंत पंचमी के दिन भी क्योंकि सिंस दे आर येलो इन कलर, वी डू मेक देम, बसंत पंचमी पे भी हम चरखी मीठे चावल बनाते हैं। सो लेट मी स्टार्ट। हम पैन लेंगे, इसमें हम सबसे पहले घी डालेंगे। ओके, एंड ये जो मीठे चावल का सामान है हम इधर लेके आ जाते हैं। ओके, इसको स्टार्ट करने से पहले मैं क्या करती हूँ कि अगर हमने एक कप मीठे चावल के लिए अगर 1 कप चावल लिए हुए हैं, तो उसके अंदर अप्रोक्सीमेटली 3/4 कप शुगर डालते हैं हम लोग और इसके अंदर मिक्स कर देते हैं। मीठा आप एडजस्ट कर सकते हो, आप अगर चाहो तो थोड़ा कम भी डाल सकते हो। Since my husband loves meeta, so for me it is almost 3/4 spoon sugar in it. 3/4 cup sugar in it. Okay, and you will just mix it so that जब तक हम उधर बनाएंगे थोड़ा सा वो सॉफ्ट हो जाएंगे।
It is already looking awesome.
ठीक है, ये अब हमने मिक्स कर दिया है। नाउ वी विल पुट घी इन दिस। अप्रोक्सीमेटली 2.5 स्पून्स घी डालेंगे। और अब हम एक कटोरी में 2-4 लौंग लेंगे, 2-3 काली मिर्च लेंगे, 1-2 मोटी इलायची लेंगे। ओके, और काजू और किशमिश लेंगे। घी गर्म होने का वेट कर रहे हैं हम। घी ऑलमोस्ट गर्म हो चुका है।
So Sangeeta Bhatia is saying Mahavir Jayanti की शुभकामनाएं and you're looking pretty.
थैंक यू सो मच संगीता, थैंक यू। फेस्टिवल है तो तैयार तो होना ही चाहिए, राइट? ओके, नाउ आई एम एडिंग जो मैंने सब चीजें मसाले मिक्स किए थे, सामान छौंकने का, वो मैं ऐड कर रही हूँ इसके अंदर। Now I will put मीठे चावल in it. इसको चीनी गलने के लिए तक पकाएंगे हम।
So Sangeeta Bhatia is also saying that the rice are pre-boiled, yeah, and the yellow color comes from haldi.
Yes, yes. People do use what you call colors into it, the chemical colors, but मतलब the food colors. But I prefer using haldi because I've seen my mother doing that. Okay, and I have added kesar, which I had soaked earlier, so which will give more color to it. Okay, and now we will just wait for the sugar to melt.
So that it mixes well.
Yeah, I think some problem. You have to be very careful so that rice doesn't break. So I have used basmati rice here. So you can see the sugar has started melting. Okay, now I'll add.
Akshay Sangal is saying awesome.
Thank you. I'm adding a little bit of elaichi powder to it. If anyone has any questions, you can ask by the time this rice gets cooked.
Shweta Bhargava is saying very tempting.
Thank you, Shweta. We're just waiting for the sugar to melt. हल्का सा चाशनी टाइप बन जाए.
Karishma Sumit, looking good Ablasha, and the dish looks yummy too.
Thank you, Karishma. Thank you. Karishma is my Sophia College friend.
Pooja Singhal is saying much awaited recipes.
Thanks, Pooja. I hope you make them soon and share the pic with us. It's almost about to get ready.
Meenakshi Ilani is saying, ma'am, I love your every recipe.
Thank you so much, Nilakshi. Thank you. I like kesar a lot, so adding more of it. I like the aroma, the taste of kesar and the color. So yeah, almost we're about to.
Sangeeta Bhatia is saying, will teach dal bati churma too.
That's a long process, so it will be difficult to do it live, but hopefully I'll make a video and post it soon. Not that comfortable with videos.
And Parul V. Garg is saying, can we add sugar while boiling rice?
No, we can't. Hi Parul, how are you? So it's almost done. I'll just leave it for 10 minutes, and by the time we'll go ahead with the namkeen charkhe chawal or the gatta rice. Okay?
Shipra Mathur is saying, looking beautiful Ablasha Di, the food looks yummy, waiting for the other dish.
Hi Shipra. Again, she's my junior from Sophia. Okay? So now we'll take the namkeen, the charkhe chawal's ingredients this side. Okay? Okay. So for चरखे चावल, what we do is first we take these गट्टास और इसके अंदर हम सारे मसाले ऐड कर देते हैं. The dry मसाला, सूखा मसाला जो हमें डालना है, हम वो इसके अंदर डाल देते हैं. So I'll put लाल मिर्ची powder in it. Little bit of haldi.
Sangeeta Bhatia saying thanks. And where
Salt.
do you get the special kesar?
I ordered it online, Sangeeta. Okay, the salt is there. Now we'll add amchur powder to it. Then, so almost gatta ka things are ready. Now for chalk, we'll need tej patta, lal mirch, sabut. The dry fruits we'll add on. So what we can do is we can add these butters here in the rice itself. Okay. So now we'll add sauce to it. Sorry, jeera. And now sauce. And I can't live without my hing, which I source it from Indore. So for me, the ingredients are very, very important. Okay, now what we'll do is we'll put ghee in the pan. Again, 2 to 3 spoons. Okay, let it heat. Okay, so again for charkhe chawal, I would like to repeat the recipe. So I have taken approximately 1.5 glass of rice, which I soaked them. These are basmati rice. Soaked them and then boiled them. I added little bit of haldi to it, and then this is the mutton. I had boiled them and kept them. और गट्टे हमने बॉईल करके कट किए हुए हैं और उसके अंदर हमने मसाला ऐड किया है, लाल मिर्ची, हल्दी, नमक एंड अमचूर पाउडर. ओके, एंड फॉर चॉप we have added sabut lal mirch, sauf, jeera, tej patta and hing. So now we're just waiting for this to heat, and once we put this, then we'll add on the dry fruits, and I have chopped hari mirchi and adrak, that also we're going to add on. Then we'll put the gattas into it, let it fry for a few minutes, and then we'll add the rice to it. And in the end, the garam masala and the dhania, green chopped dhania goes. Any questions, Bhavya?
No, there's no. There. Okay. So Nisha auntie is watching.
Hi, Nisha.
And Deepti Vadhare Chandwani
Okay, that's
is saying,
Gayatri aunty.
have you fried the gatte?
No, I haven't. So I'll be doing it right now. You just see. जो हम मसाला बनाएंगे सबसे पहले हम गट्टे ही डालेंगे इसके अंदर. So they'll be sort of fried in it.
And Sangeeta Bhatia is saying, would you mind sharing the name of the kesar and its online source and also hing source?
So it's Persian Traders, okay, and you can check it their website. Okay, hing I source it from Indore. This is Kabuli wala. I get it from him. So he gets it from Afghanistan. So it's like one of the best hing. Okay, almost my ghee is ready. Are we on chefs? There are no questions on chefs.
No, there are no questions. I'm also surprised.
Can we see someone live? People are there?
People are there.
Okay, fine.
21 are there right now.
Okay, I think it's ज़्यादा हो गया है. चलो, anyways, we'll add on this. we'll add kaju and kishmish. You can smell hing, Bhavya?
Yes, it is very strong.
Very strong. You like it or not?
I don't know. I just find it interesting.
You find the hing interesting? Good. So these both recipes are without onion garlic, 100% Jain recipes. You can make it. Okay, now I'll add on the green chilies to it. Okay, little bit of adrak. And now I'll put the gatta in it. And now we'll put the rice. Can you see the colors?
Rimi Bindra is saying these look amazing. Bhaskar Roy is saying hi.
We did not put the salt in it.
Ankita Mehra
That was not that clear. So I think I'll do it again.
is saying already teased. Kanish Shume is saying which country what is gatta?
Okay, I'll explain that thing later on. Okay, so see now the gatta rice is almost ready. Okay.
Shivaling Naik is saying hi chef.
Hi. Okay, I'll add on little bit of garam masala to it. We add garam masala in the end so that it retains the flavors and the aroma. And I'll add a little bit of.
Ankita Mehra is saying looks delicious. Ekta Jain is saying yummy. So sorry with the starting recipe. Can you repeat it?
I'll repeat it, and this video will be saved on my page also. Okay. So see, the gatta rice are almost done. Can you see the different colors?
Deepti Badre Chandwani is saying, is the rice salted while boiling?
Okay. So now the gatta rice are done. Okay, I'll plate them. Just a second.
Rimi Bindra is saying drooling.
Okay, thank you, Rumi. What happened, Bhavya?
I think the internet connection.
Okay, let me just check it. Okay, we'll wait. It will get back, I think.
I think you should switch on the mobile data.
I have switched on the mobile data only. Uh, there is some. There was a.
Okay, now
Yeah.
it's
So people who have missed it, my gatta rice are almost ready. So what we did was, we had taken the soaked rice, which I had shared before only. Okay, and then I had put in this jeera, sauf, hing, tej patta, and sabut lal mirch. And then we added dry fruits, that's kaju and kishmish. And उसके बाद हमने चॉप की हुई हरी मिर्च और अदरक डाली थी. Okay, उसके बाद and what I did was I have put garam masala, which generally I believe that you should add garam masala in the end. So I did मैंने garam masala डाला है, हरा धनिया चॉप करके डाला है. So now I'll just put it in this so that. So this is ready, and I'll just put the meethe chawal also.
Sangeeta Bhatia is saying yummy. Deepti Vandere Chandwini is saying, hey Bhavya, it's Gayatri auntie. I know auntie. I got to know right now. Parul V. Garg is saying, can you please share how to make?
Okay, now what I have done is
Sanghamitra Datta Bhasin, Sherry auntie is saying, can't hear you.
Why?
There's a way to know when the gattas are well done, because sometimes when we make it, it gets dry.
I had shared it in my video earlier, and I'll share it again. I'll be doing a video very soon, and I'll share it again. Right now, I'm just preparing the thali, the special thali for Mahavir Jayanti, and I'll just serve it, and I'll show you on. Just hold on for 2 minutes, and then we can.
And Chef Bhasin is saying voice not clear.
Chef, I
don't know
think
what is happening.
problem with the network.
The internet connection. We'll soon get. Sweta Pansari is replying to Parulvi girl. I would love to teach you our all-time Rajasthani khana.
Okay, so now I have put this. Just let me serve it and share it with you, Bhavya. Some problem with the network, I think. Huh, Bhavya?
I don't know, something is wrong.
Okay, it's okay. We'll continue with the other platform. We are there live on that platform. We can continue at least with that. So yeah, my thali is almost ready. I'll show you. Yeah, so can we come this side? So the thali for Mahavir Jayanti is almost ready. So I had made gatte ki sabji before. So there's a bundi raita which goes very well with the gatta rice. Green chutney, mirchi ka tipore. We have made besan laddus, and this is the namak ajwain paratha. Any questions? Are we fine with the chef's group?
I think the internet connection is still not.
Okay, let me just check it. I'll go again live otherwise. Any other questions on the other group, Bhavya? Can you just check it on the...
No, not right now.
Give me that. I'll just check it. What's wrong with that? Should I go again live with this?
No, don't.
Wait. Wait. I'll just check it. Let me end that group. Okay, just a minute. मुझे दिखाओ. Okay, everyone, bye. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, anything related to this, you can just message me.
Seema auntie just joined in.
You can just message me or WhatsApp me. My number is all over, and you can ask me the questions for this recipe. I would love to answer you all.
Gayatri auntie is saying lovely colors in the thali.
Okay, thank you, Gayatri. Thank you so much. So again, we are live on Chef's Bhavya. Just give me that. I'll just switch it off.
Okay.
And show this thali to the people. I'll just